a Wonka show, shall we? And he will be going up against Trinity, and I believe this is Trinity's first time getting this far into a King of Series comp, so big battle for him. Let's go ahead and watch Wonka first. I love that! Oh my god, just get into it.
Reality as I knew it disappeared.
Oh man, what an intro. Yo. Wow. I love how the slow just works, and I love this glove set. So much detail in it. Love how he's not going crazy at the intro. Dang. That pickup. Crazy. Ooh. What? Yo. The ideas. Oh man, he like puppeted all those fingers out, dude. Oh. Oh, that pull with the finger and that isolation, gnarly. Oh man. Yo!
Reality as I knew it disappeared.
Oh man, let's go! Love the patience here. Oh. Yo! Oh, that three. Those three fingers there, that was crazy. That was gnarly, dude. Yo, I have to say, every time I every time I watch a Wonka show, there's at least like 12 new moves in it. I'm actually kind of worried because it's like usually you would save some of your stuff, right? But then like it's like Wonka's got some new shit every single round. And it's like it's such a fun show to watch, or he's such a fun person to watch because it's like these are all new tools. There's like a new concept in every single show, and it just for me personally, it makes my brain go crazy because like, oh, like he just pulled the liquid through, but like he's isolating it, he's changing with the timing. It's really fun to watch. Very illusionary type of Glover, very unique. Man, this is gonna be a tough one. Let's go ahead and watch Trinity. Kind of crazy round one to insane level of intensity. Absolutely, absolutely. Oh shit! Oh man, we got the bang bang, baby! Woo! We got gun moves! Oh, what an intro. Probably the most thematic intro this round. Let's see what he'll do with it. So clean. Camera's a bit off-centered though. Wish that was a little bit straighter. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, the timing. Wow. Ooh, that freaking conjure. Oh man. So satisfying. Oh, he shot the form up, dude. Oh. Ooh, here we go. What we gonna do after the build-up? I love it when the item was just flipped like that. Those mode switches. Sorry, no, conjure switches. Wow. Wow. What a bouncy style. That was gnarly, dude. Yo, dude. This... Dude, this round was crazy, dude. There's like something new in every video. There's like some new. His round 2 is also a lot stronger. I agree. Like, that was probably one of the strongest rounds that I've ever seen from Trinity, personally. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.